chose McKinley because it was convenient for me to do the online classes with the schedule that I have, working full-time and being a mother and a wife, taking care of a house. And I chose McKinley because it's affordable and the staff is great. It was a little tough at first getting back into the whole school after so many years of not being in school, but it was easier than I thought it would be. Doing school at McKinley helps me figure out in the summertime, if I know I'm going to be busy in the summer, I can take one class. Or if I know I have an open schedule, I can take 2 to 3 classes at a time to make up for the only one class I took in the summer. It works out well because you can get done quickly. Just getting that piece of paper helps open so many more doors than you can with just work experience. I have a lot of work experience, but that piece of paper makes a difference to where you can apply to so many more jobs that are willing to look at you because you have that paper and because you do have the job experience as well. My favorite part of going to school with McKinley, being able to do it at any time that I choose, not that somebody else chooses. I can go to school on a Sunday morning if I want to, on a Saturday evening in my pajamas if I choose. It's whenever I have time to study, and that's why I like going to McKinley.